How are you, my friends? How do you do, my friends? Hello, everyone. Vic here. So today we will be talking about Instagram, the ads, WhatsApp ads, and the new policy, the final policy for the national cloud and database policies. So let's jump into it, shall we? Instagram unskippable ads. I'm not sure why Meta had to do this, because if it was a stock thing, Meta is its whole stock, not just Instagram. But let's talk about the feature itself before we talk about the reasons why it could have been put. Firstly, what is the Instagram unskippable ads I'm talking about? Recently, Instagram announced its unskippable ads on their website. If you're skipping on 3 to 5 reels, then you'll meet up with a unskippable ad. It does have a countdown like the YouTube ads, but they are also unskippable during those time periods. YouTube, on the other hand, you can skip most of the ads, and sometimes you don't even mind most of the ads in YouTube. But Instagram was never built for that, so people just feel it's awkward, and it's giving some people reasons for leaving Instagram. The first half of people are the people who were already getting out of Instagram but needed a reason to, which now Instagram has given them. And the other people are the people who say, well, every platform has ads, so it doesn't matter if Instagram has the ads. With having ads on Instagram now, people are asking if there is going to be Instagram Premium so that this can be skipped as well, the ads can be skipped. Just like YouTube, just like other platforms that have ads, and once you get a premium you can skip those ads. On YouTube specifically, you can skip, you won't have ads if you have YouTube Premium. But seeing all these ads and getting around them is a problem in itself. The interface itself doesn't allow you to actually enjoy Instagram if now it has this. For Instagram enjoyers, this is your update, and for people who just wanted a reason to leave Instagram, this is your update as well. You can choose whatever you want. Anyway, what do you think about it? WhatsApp ads. While we're still on the ad business, we just found out that WhatsApp is planning on having targeted ads on their platform as well. So it looks like Meta's whole platforms are having this update, but WhatsApp as well specifically, it's having targeted ads mainly for the business users. They announced this in Brazil last week, Thursday, and they said it's for the business messaging side of the platform. These new updates on the ads are due to the new AI build tools in these platforms. Just like Facebook and Instagram used to have the other blunt instruction tools, now with the new AI, they have targeted types of ads and messages for those platforms. So you don't have to worry about getting ads you are not used to. So that will work as a targeted ad for you. The strategic marketing head, this is very important for the business because they are paying for these messages. At a conference, Meta has also introduced a new AI chatbot to answer business inquiries directly in chat. This is an early test of Zuckerberg's goal to convert business to outsource their communication to the autobot. The chatbot will assist users with common requests such as finding catalogs or consulting business hours, similar to the existing AI-powered consumer service platforms. They also announced In addition, digital payment method, once seen as a potential competitor to its WhatsApp payment tool in the country. Just on another note, WhatsApp did start offering payment services as well, a service provider from India last year. The final national cloud and data policy in South Africa. The communication minister published their final policy this last week. Government says the national data and cloud policy is a framework aimed at effectively managing and utilizing data through cloud computing. Its primary goals are to enhance government service delivery and foster social-economic development by promoting data-driven decision-making, creating database tradable goods and service, thereby supporting an emerging digital economy. The government's primary goal currently is just to broaden their scope towards the emerging markets because they can't keep up with the emerging markets. Currently we have Takealot, we have just recently Amazon and all these other platforms, Temu and the others who have emerged and are way higher in service providing for cloud-based systems and product and service good. So the government is trying to meet that goal and shorten their span in getting in those platforms as well. The draft policy was published on 1 April 2021 for public comment. Law and ICT experts had highlighted several flaws in the policies, questioning the government's approach to positioning civilians' data as an infrastructure for producing rather than as an output or factor of production. So these highlighted comments were done by various experts and Research ICT Africa. They were published and most of the scholars agreed on these factors. Now, moving on to the infrastructure and the data economy of if it's robust enough to actually handle the new shift in this policy that it's making. According to the communication minister, the policy also underscores the most important of capacity building and skills development to enhance and adopt the cloud technology and data management practice across all sectors. He said, it aims to create a robust data economy that contributes to the growth of the ICT sector and overall economy. So the current problem that everyone is having and the comments on the previous policies was that moving this fast, most sectors will not be able to handle the growth rates if you did it all at once. So now, the minister is saying, if we push out the policy, it will push the other sectors. It will force the other sectors to develop at a faster pace so everyone can keep up with the current growth in the ICT sector. So the other problems that came along with it is what type of data do they collect or they want to collect in all of these infrastructures. The document showed that the current data that the government has is more than enough to build a database. So what was that information? The document revealed that the government departments and agencies collect vast amounts of data related to services such as health, education, identification documents, birth registrations, driver's license, and business. This data is stored in various formats, with some kept as hard copies and others kept in servers within various departmental facilities. So the document says. So with all that information, they are able to start building from there. But with all that information that they have and all that data that they have, the government is currently having a problem with different departments not storing the same information or not storing it in the same format, and there's slow adoption of the new technologies and new features which comes along with cloud-based systems. So that's what they're currently having, and with different format, by the way. Even if you use a normal example like Excel, if you're using different columns with different titles, you will always have a problem if you're trying to migrate those information into one document. So that's what we're currently looking at, but at a huge scale, at a bigger scale, where they are trying to factor in all that information as one. And by the way, they don't even store it in the same place currently. They don't have a place to store it in the same place. So various departments have various storage space. But in all that, the whole policy, it aims to grow South Africa's infrastructure in the cloud-based economy and to move it in various sectors. So just read more on it. Is the National Cloud and Data Policy. Read more on it. Anyway, what are your thoughts on it? What do you think about the topics this week? Please leave your comments below. And if you like my content, please subscribe. Click that like button. It is free. Anyway, keep on grinding and level up.